Good evening, students.
Sir, I have a doubt in a question, sir.
Test number or any other questions? Durlav, you are only asking the doubt.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
it's a picturized based question, sir. So how? So where can I send it, sir?
You can
Sir,
send
can
it
I?
in chat, no? Zoom chat itself, you can send, no?
Okay, sir.
No, you can take a snapshot and you can send through the Zoom chat itself.
Okay,
So,
sir.
what is the last exam happen? Mathematics, trigonometry, no? Trigonometry or what? What is the exam you done? What exam you done? Students, please. Coordinate geometry and introduction to trigonometry. Am I right? Students, respond. Murto. Is it coordinate geometry and trigonometry? The last exam you completed?
Yes, sir.
Having any doubts in the question paper? I'm trying to share the question paper. This is a question paper, am I right? I will show 1 second. Durlo, you sent two documents. Which one?
Sir, both, sir. Sir, one is it's a MCQ question, sir. One is the question and another is answer, sir.
Yeah, in the given figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle of radius 4 centimeter with the center O. Then the area of the shaded region. Pi by 3 into 5 pi. So options are these. Minus 3 root 3. Yeah.
Yes, sir. These are the options.
The given figure ABC has an equilateral triangle. in equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. So 1 second, I'm going to copy this one. So we can convert into arcs. Based on that also we can do, man. That is one method. I will show you. There are different methods. They gave only one data. Radius of the circle is given. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having an idea about this question? I will give the clue. So I am joining center to here. Because of equilateral triangle, how many arcs we can see? You can see AOC arc, AOC sector with a radius of 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. I can take separately that AOC. It is like this. This is OA and this is OC and it is like this. And is shaded only the this segment, that segment. And what is this angle? What is this angle? It will be 120 degrees, no? Will you agree it is 120 degrees or not? Students, why it is 120
Can
degrees?
you explain how, sir?
What is the total angle? This total angle is how much?
360, sir.
So this, he said this is an equilateral triangle, correct?
Yes, sir.
So this whole angle is how much? 60.
Yes, sir.
This is 30. This is 30. Again, this also 30, 30, and this is 30, and this is 30. Then what about this remaining angle of this triangle? If I'm taking OAC triangle, if these angles are 30, 30. Is it 120 or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Or simple. All these angles are 60, 60, 60. I'm taking such a way like this. This is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. This triangle is divided into 3 isosceles triangles. What is the meaning of isosceles triangle? What is the meaning of isosceles triangle?
Sir, sides opposite to the equal sides are, sorry, angles opposite to equal sides are equal.
So this angle must be equal to this angle, and all 3 angles are congruent triangles. All 3 triangles are congruent triangles because this is x, this is also x, this is also x because of. So if I'm taking the 3 triangles separately, I will get like this: 4, 4, x. This also. Sorry guys, this will be like this: 4, 4, x. This will be 4, 4, x, and this also 4, 4, x. So compulsory these angles must be same. 3 angles must be same. And if I'm taking 3 angles is theta, 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 the round angle is 3 theta will be equal to 360 and theta is equal to 120. Can you agree this angle is 120 degrees now at least? Is it clear how this is 120?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you know the angle at the vertex, is it possible to calculate the sector area? What is the sector area?
Theta by 360 pi r square.
So sector area is equals theta by 360 into pi r square. This will be 120 by 360 into pi 4 square. So how many times? This will be 12 by 16 pi by 3 Will you agree? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
How to calculate the shaded region here? If you know the triangle, then it will be easy to calculate the shaded region. The triangle is like this. This is A, this is C, this is A. O. O, A, C. If I am taking, this is 60, this is 60, 90, this is 30, this is 90, and this is 30. This is 4, this is 4, and this value is, this total value is I want. How to calculate this one? Suppose if it is inserting at D, calculate CD value. How to calculate the CD value? You know the hypotenuse. If I know the height, it will be easy. If I know the base, it will be easy. How to calculate? I know one angle. I know this angle. If I'm taking sine, this is 30. This angle is 30. If I'm taking sine 30, it will be opposite side OD by hypotenuse. Opposite side is height of the triangle. Hypotenuse is 4. So H is equal to sine 30 into 4. Same as if I'm taking cos 30, adjacent side DC divided by hypotenuse is 4. So base by 2, half of the base. Base by 2 divided by 4 is equal to cos 30. This will be base of the triangle by 2. Half of the base will be equal to 4 cos 30. From here, the base value is equal to 8 cos 30. To find the area of the triangle, so area of triangle will be equal to half into base into height. Half, the base is 8 into root 3 by 2. Height is 4 into 1 by 2. So 2 times 2 cancel. Here I will get 4 root 3. So what is the area of the shaded region? Area of shaded region will be equal to area of sector minus area of OAC triangle. This will be 16 pi by 3 minus 4 root 3. Check. Any option is there? Durlov? Which is coming 16. Yeah, if I'm taking, he took the 4 by 3 common. If I'm taking in a different way, he mentioned. If I'm taking root 3 by 3, this will be 4 into root 3 by root 3. Four by 3 if I'm taking common. 4 pi minus 4 common. Root 3 by root 3 into 3. That is 3 root 3. So 4 by 3 into 4 pi minus 3 root 3 square units. Is it clear? Students, anywhere any confusion?
Sir, could you explain the part where we found so with that sine 30 and cos 30, so that one, sir?
Yeah, I'm taking any one triangle. If you know any one triangle, because all the 3 triangles are same here, correct? The
Yes,
aim
sir.
of is find the area of the triangle. How to calculate the area of the triangle? If you know the height and base, that is enough now.
Yes, sir.
How the triangle looks? The triangle is looking like this. O, A, C, and I'm taking a vertical. This is D, and this is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is H. This is B by 2. This is B by 2. Correct? This whole angle is 60, this is 90, and this is 30. I'm taking one particular triangle here. ODC and angle is 30. I know only this length. And this is H, this is base by 2, half of the base. What is the sine 30 value according to definition? Opposite side by hypotenuse of the triangle, correct? So H by 4.
Yes, sir.
From here, H is equal to 4 sine 30. What is the cos 30 value? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is what? Base by 2 divided by hypotenuse is 4. So here half of the base will be equal to 4 cos 30, that is 4 root 3 by 2. From here, base will be equal to 4 root 3. So now area of triangle is how much? Half into the base is 4 root 3 into height is 4 by 2. So final answer is 4 root 3. Is it clear, man?
Yes, sir.
So subtraction of arc and this one will give the answer.
Sir, what is the height here, sir?
Height is, see here, what is the height here?
No, sir. What was the answer we got, sir, for height?
4 into 1 by 2, height is 2. The answer
Okay,
is, you will get the answer actually like this. This is your answer. 16 pi by 3 minus 4 root 3. He took 4 by 3 common. If I am taking 4 by 3 common, the answer is 4 minus 3 root 3. If you multiply, you will get this one.
Okay, sir.
So second option,
Yes, sir.
any other questions? Students, anyone having any doubt from the question paper? I am sharing the question paper. Yeah. What is the first one answer? Anyone done the first question? Students, please respond. Anyone done the first question? Students, you attended the exam or not? Nice. Able to talk? Any are here? No one is responding. Shita, Amrita, Adharva, Durlav. Anyone having any doubt? Vaishnavi, Harita, any doubt in the question paper? Students, please respond.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Sorry?
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes. You able to see the question paper?
Yes, sir.
Out of 6 questions, anyone having any doubt in 6 questions, first 6 questions related to coordinate geometry? Centroid. The centroid formula is what?
Sir, the fourth sum.
Fourth sum. Find the distance between the points. What is the distance formula, madam? What is the distance formula? What is the distance formula? A x1 comma y1, B x2 comma y2. What is the distance formula AB? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root. Correct or not? This is
Yes,
your
sir.
x, this is your y1, this is x2, this is your y2. So x2 is sin theta minus cos theta whole square plus y2 is minus cos theta, y1 is minus sin theta whole square. And this will be sin theta minus cos theta whole square plus minus cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta plus sin theta minus of. So this will be cos theta plus sin theta minus whole square is plus only. So a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. What is answer? It is looking like a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. What is answer?
So sin theta square minus cos
Square plus
theta
b
square.
square multiplied by 2. This will be 2 of sin square theta plus cos square theta under the root. So the answer is root 2. The answer is root 2.
Okay, sir.
This is root 2 of 1. So answer is root 2. Yeah. Any other questions? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. First option. Here, fourth option. I'm scrolling down. From 6th question to 10th question, anyone having any doubt? From 6th to 10th. 6th to 10th. Guys, please look into the questions one by one. I'm giving enough time. Please go through it and let me know anyone having any doubt in from 6th to 10th.
Sir, 10th one, sir.
The distance between the points is, this is like, this whole thing is like x1, this is your y1. So I'm writing x1 is equals a cos theta plus b sin theta, and y1 is equal to 0. x2 is equals 0, y2 is equals a sin theta minus b cos theta. So the distance formula is what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under the root. This will be x2 minus x1 is 0 minus a cos theta minus b sin theta whole square plus a sin theta minus b cos theta minus 0 whole square. This will be, if I'm expanding, this whole thing will become plus a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta. Everything should be under the root. And this can be, if I'm taking a square common, I will get a square of sin square theta plus cos square theta. If I'm taking b square common, sin square theta plus cos square theta under the root. This will be a square into 1 plus b square into 1. So final answer is a square plus b square under the root. Option A. Hope you are clear how we got the option A.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm moving to the next 5 questions. No doubts from 6 to 10, students? 6th to 10th. Can I move to the next 5 questions?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
11th to 15. 11th to 15. Anyone having any doubt from 11th to 15th? See. Eleventh one, 12th one, 13th one, 14th one, 15th one. Go through it and let me know which question. Anyone having any doubt? Students, please.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. 16 to 20. Go through it. (16 to 20). Question number 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Students, please respond. Any doubt?
Sir, 19th one, sir.
AOBC is a rectangle whose three vertices are. The length of its diagonal is. So, if we assume this is O, 0, 0. What is the A value? 0, 3. 0, 3 is 1, 2, 3 somewhere here. This is A, 0, 3. And AO, B is 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is B, 5, 0. And C is not given. So how you can frame this rectangle with this? Only like this. Then what is your C coordinate? Either AB is also same and OC also same. Your C is 5, 3. Your C is 5, 3. So AB is my diagonal. The distance between 0, 3 and 5, 0, 5 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square under the root. This is 25 plus 9 under the root. The answer is root 34. Hope you are clear how I got.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm going back to the question paper. Let me know any doubts from question number 16 to 20. Any doubts again? Yeah. What about question number 21 to 25? Question number 21 to 25.
No, sir.
Any?
No, sir.
Yeah. What about 26 to 30? 26 to 30.
Sir, 28th.
28. Any others? Any other questions other than 28?
Sir, 29, sir.
29th is out of syllabus. It is related to complementary angles. Complementary angles we discussed. Yes or no? We done?
I guess no, sir.
It's not syllabus, no? Not in syllabus. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So that you leave it. Omit that question. Not a problem. So 20. She asked one. Girl asked 28. So from 26 to 30, omit the 29th one. It is out of the syllabus. If anybody wants, I will teach you. That doesn't matter, but I'm saying. So 28th one. What is given? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x. Find the tan theta value. Find the tan theta value. How you approach this question? They gave given data is secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x. We know secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. From here, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this is looking like a square minus b square format. This can be written as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. This whole value is x according to given. So this can be written as x into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. From here, secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by x. Now we know secant theta plus tan theta is equal to x. Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by x. Subtract both. Minus, this will become plus, this is minus. Secant theta minus secant theta is 0. Tan theta minus of minus is plus. So 2 tan theta is equal to x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x. So from here, tan theta is equal to x square minus 1 by 2x. Is it clear? Students, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the answer? Yeah, moving to the question paper again. No doubts till question number 30. So I'm moving to 31 to 35. 31 to 35. Anyone having any doubt from question number 31 to 35?
Sir, 33, sir.
50. What is a given data? If cos of alpha plus beta, it is actually related to complementary angles. Cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 0 when the cos of some angle is 0, which is equal to cos 90. From here, alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. Alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. So from here, I can write alpha is equal to 90 minus beta. So sine of alpha minus beta is equal to sine of, in place of alpha, put 90 minus beta, which will give sine of 90 minus 2 beta. Sine of 90 minus 2 beta, from the concept of complementary angles, we will get cos 2 beta. So this up to here we can able to do. But after this, how it will become cos, it is related to complementary angles. So this is also related to complementary angles concept. Complementary angles is simple. I will give here. Suppose if I am taking this is theta 1, this is theta 2, this is 90, A, B, C. From the triangle, what is the sine theta 1, students? What is the sine theta 1? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta 1 is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Same as sine theta 2, opposite side by hypotenuse. If you look, I am getting cos theta 1 is equal to sine theta 2. What is the relation between theta 1 and theta 2? Theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to pi by 2. So theta 2 can be written as pi by 2 minus theta 1. That is 90 minus theta 1, or theta 1 can be written as 90 minus theta 2. So if I am substituting here, cos theta 1 can be written as sine of 90 minus theta 1, or sine theta 1 can be written as cos of 90 minus theta 1. So this is only the complementary angle concept. So I got sine 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta from the concept of complementary angles. Sine is complement with cos, tan is complement with cot, cosecant is complement with secant. So this is only the simple concept, only complementary angles, but they removed. Yeah, please. Any questions? Till 35, any questions?
Sir,
Anyone having any
35th,
doubts?
sir.
35th. If tan theta is equal to m by n, then find the value of m sin theta minus n cos theta is equal to m divided by m sin theta plus n cos theta. So I'm taking LHS. M sin theta minus n cos theta divided by m sin theta plus n cos theta. Divide both numerator and denominator with cos theta. What you will get, madam? If I am dividing, it will be m tan theta minus n divided by m tan theta plus n. Will you agree? Correct or not? Understood, or I have to write that step? Ma'am, who is asking? Please respond.
Sir, can you please explain it?
So I am dividing both the numerator and denominator with cos theta. That is how we will get m sin theta minus n cos theta divided by cos theta divided by m sin theta plus n cos theta divided by cos theta, which is, if I am splitting, this will be m tan theta minus n cos theta by cos theta is n, and this also m tan theta plus n cos theta by theta is n. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is the tan theta value? Tan theta is m by n. Tan theta value is m by n minus n. If I am taking LCM, I will get m square minus n square by n divided by m square plus n square by n. N cancel. Finally, I am getting the answer is m square minus n square by m square plus n square. Is it clear? What I'm?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Moving to any doubts from 30 to 35? Again, I'm asking any doubts from 30 to 35. Yeah, I'm moving to the 36 to 40. Out of
Sir,
36
is
to
34 also complementary angle concept, sir?
34 is not complementary angle concept. You have to apply AQ minus BQ formula, both numerator and denominator, things will cancel. You will get sine square theta, cos square theta concept there. Because 20,
Sir, can you explain it, sir?
yeah, but it is related to complementary, but it's not only related to complementary. This is cos cube theta minus cos cube theta, theta 1 minus theta 1. So first you have to apply the complementary, but with the help of the complementary, you won't get. You have to use the algebra, a cube minus b cube formula. First, what I am doing is, both are cos here, both are sine here. both are cos here, both are sin here. Any one angle I am converting into cos or sin. We proved the previous step, sine of 90 minus theta can be written as cos theta, or cos of 90 minus theta can be written as sin theta. This is a complementary angle concept. Here, what I am doing is cos 20 can be written as sin 70. Cos 20 can be written as sine of 90 minus 20, which will be equal to sin 70. So wherever cos 20 I am having, I am substituting with this. And yeah, so cos 70 can be written as sin 20. If I am replacing with this, sin cube 70 minus sin cube 20 divided by sin cube 70 minus sin cube 20. Yeah, it's 1. Yes, 34th also you can omit. I mean, like you don't consider about the mark. Or add 1 mark if you whether you would right or wrong. It's pure. Sorry, ma'am. It's a complementary angles, but you can use x cube minus y cube formula also. Yeah. Any other questions from 30 to 35? I can go to the 36 to 40 students. 36 to 40. Anyone having any doubts? Any question from 36 to 40? Go through it. Students, anyone?
No, sir.
Sir, can you please explain 37th question?
37th one. Theta is an acute angle such that cos theta is given. They are asking sin theta into tan theta minus 1 by 2 tan square theta. We can do triangle method, or straight away we will do it any other method. I can do triangle method.
Yes,
I need
sir.
sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta under the root. This is 1 minus 9 by 25 under the root. This is 16 by 25. The answer is 4 by 5. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta I got 4 by 5. Cos theta is 3 by 5. The answer is 4 by 3. Now substitute all these values. What is the value of sin theta? 4 by 5. Tan theta 4 by 3 minus 1 divided by 2 into 4 by 3 whole square. So this is 16 by 15 minus 1 divided by 2 into 16 by 9 divided by 9. 16 minus 15 is 1 by 15 divided by 32 divided by 9. So this will be 9 by 32 into 15. 3 3s, 3 5s. This will be 3 by 160 is my answer. Check whether you are getting any different answer. Students, please. Understood? Any confusion in this question?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
Yeah. Next. Any doubt from 41, 42, 40, from 40, 41, 42 before going to the section B? Shall I go to the next one? In 43, any doubt? In 43, essay based question. Diagram shows a plane for a sunroom.
Sir, the first one, sir.
Find the midpoint of the segment joining the points J, I, refer the top view of where this is the top view. This is the top view. He's asking the midpoint of the segment J and I. Where is J here? This is J. This is I. So this is a midpoint he's asking. How to calculate the midpoint? 6 plus 9 by 2, 17 plus 16 by 2. What is answer? Third option? Correct or no? They gave the points. Even without this diagram itself, we can able to calculate now.
Yes, sir.
Next one. The distance of the point P from the y-axis. Distance of the point P from the y-axis. What is the point P from the y-axis? X coordinate only now. What is the point P here? From the top view, you have to get the P values. The answer is 4 units. Distance between the point A and S. Point A and S distance. See here they gave very clearly this distance is 1 centimeter. From here you can this distance is this 1 unit is 5 half centimeter. This unit is 1 centimeter. From here you can able to calculate the values, A value and P value, identify the coordinates, or you can take x-axis or y-axis of your own and you can able to find out the coordinates and you can calculate. Anyone having any doubts out of these 5 questions? Students, please. Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Here, trigonometry case-based question. A student of 10th standard has to made up of a project introduction to trigonometry. She decided to make a birdhouse that is triangle in shape. She uses a cardboard to make the birdhouse in the figure. Consider the front side of the birdhouse is a right angle triangle of PQR and right angle at R. Answer the following. Angle PQR is theta, then cos theta is equal. Cos theta is equal to how much? Here this is theta. Is mentioning this is theta. From here cos theta is equal adjacent side by hypotenuse. So 12 by 13. Value of secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 13 by 12. Option C. So if you know the secant theta, tan theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1 under the root. It is 169 minus 144 minus 1. This will become 169 minus 144 is 25 by 144, 5 by 12. So tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. So if you know sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, it will be easy to calculate cot square theta minus cosecant square theta. Or we know cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosecant square theta. Without this data itself, cot square theta minus cosecant square theta for any angle is always 1. With the help of identity also you can able to calculate. 50% sin square theta minus cos square theta. We got sin theta is equal to how much here? The value of sin theta is how much? Opposite side is 5. From the triangle you can say 5 centimeter. 5 by 13, 12 by 13. This is 5 by 13 whole square minus 12 by 13 whole square. So what is answer? 25 by 169 minus 144 by 169. This is sin square theta minus cos square theta. What is the answer, students? Value of the sine square theta minus cos square theta. Please. What is the answer? This is a wrong question. Options are wrong. Or they have to give sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is answer is 1. Sine square theta minus cos square theta, you will get minus 144 minus 25. This will be 119 by 169. You get approximately 0.7, which is not in the option. So either I have to give this plus or either they have to change the options. So slightly error in the question. The question is value of sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to how much? The option is 1. Is it clear? Shall I wind up the session? We'll
Yes,
meet in
sir.
the revision class. Tomorrow we will try to revision. Come with the doubts. Please practice. Find out the different questions where we are having the doubts. We will discuss in the next class. Bye everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.